Gobble up greatness. A witty recipe for leftover turkey. Welcome to the ultimate recipe blog, where leftover turkey meets real estate dreams. Thanksgiving might be over, but the turkey leftovers and your house hunting goals are just getting started. Let's dive into a delicious, easy recipe that's perfect for your fridge and your future kitchen. Spoiler alert, both could benefit from an upgrade. Turkey Dream Home Casserole, because everyone and every turkey deserves a dream home. Ingredients: 3 cups leftover turkey, shredded or diced. Think about it as giving those scraps a fresh start. 2 cups cooked rice, or whatever grain you have that needs a home. 1 cup mixed vegetables, frozen or fresh, like your soon-to-be garden plot. 1 can of mushroom soup. The real estate of casseroles holds everything together. 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese, because even leftovers deserve a little luxury. 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, or any herb of your choice. Imagine the spice rack in your dream kitchen. Salt and pepper to taste, crushed crackers or breadcrumbs for topping, to give it that fresh on the market crunch. Directions: preheat your oven. Set the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, warm, cozy, and just about the right temperature to dream about that perfect home. Number 2, mix it up. In a large bowl, combine turkey, rice, vegetables, soup, half of the cheese, and spices. Stir until everything feels at home, like you will once I, your favorite realtor, find you your forever home. Assemble. Spread the mixture onto a greased 9x11 baking dish. Top with the remaining cheese and sprinkle the crackers or breadcrumbs. This topping is the curb appeal your casserole deserves. Bake. Pop it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until bubbly and golden brown. Kind of like that feeling you'll get when you walk into your dream kitchen for the first time. Serve and celebrate. Dish it out and enjoy. Leftover turkey never tasted so chic, and neither will your current kitchen after we find the perfect upgrade. A realtor recipe for success. Now that your leftovers are transformed, let's talk about your future home. Whether it's a bigger kitchen for more epic casseroles, a cozier dining room for family feast, or a backyard for growing your own veggies, I'm here to help. Like this recipe, the home buying process is all about the right mix. A sprinkle of your must-haves, a dash of my expert negotiation skills, and a whole lot of heart and hustle to seal the deal. When you're ready to leave leftovers and renting behind, call me. Together we'll find the house that's baked to perfection, just like this casserole. Let's make your dream kitchen and home a reality. Call me today, and let's turn your leftovers into a forever home.